I'm leaving this shithole behind me, and over the last 27 days, I've made $32,487, and in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to explain exactly how I did it.
And spit on that thing, you get me?
Hurricane Beryl hit Houston, Texas on July 8th, 2024, causing widespread wind and flood damage to the city and its surrounding areas. Although Hurricane Beryl was only a Category 1 hurricane, insurance companies that have policies in these areas don't have enough salaried staff to handle the influx of claims that are opened due to it. In fact, some insurance companies in certain areas of the country don't have any salaried staff at all. We all know insurance companies hate spending money. That also means they don't want to pay for more salaried staff than necessary. Plus, they want to be able to sell policies in certain areas that there may not have a nearby office or enough anticipated claim volume to constitute a full-time employee. Back to my last month. Days before Hurricane Beryl hit land, I started getting phone calls from claims adjusting companies. These are companies that I work for. They secure contracts with insurance companies, and I help them generate revenue by being their field representative. When these storms hit, people like me help people like them make a lot of money. So I teamed up with a few companies, packed up my van, left my home state of New Jersey, and worked in Texas for about a month. I also flew back home a couple times to spend some time with my kids because family is always more important than work, and quite frankly, my kids are fucking awesome. While I was in Texas, I met with about 100 different home and commercial property owners and either physically inspected their roofs or sent my drone up to take pictures. After each inspection, I either sat in my van or at a nearby Starbucks to create a digital package that included the photographs I took, a report explaining that the damage I saw was from Hurricane Beryl, and a repair estimate. I never had to measure a roof or felt like I was going to fall off one at any point. When I write estimates, they're prepared using the industry-recognized software that makes it super easy, and on average, I probably made about $350 per estimate, which, to be honest, kind of sucks. When I leave home to do these storms, I aim to make about 100K. I want to make 100K in a month. I've done it before, and others have done it too. My average at home is about 20 grand a month, so leaving home for only 12 grand extra isn't really worth it to me. If you're thinking 32 grand, that sounds nice, but think about the expenses, and probably after that, you probably think it's not worth it. My average night at a hotel was about $100. If I'd have stayed in Houston for 30 consecutive days, I would have spent $3,000 in hotel bills. I spent about $30 a day in gasoline, which for the other 30 days, that's about $900. I only stay in extended stay type of hotels that have small kitchens, so my eating habits they stay the same. So $32,000 minus $4,000 is a net of $28,000. Stop trying to make a good thing into a bad thing. I'm actually posting this video late because as soon as I got back to New Jersey, we got hit with Hurricane Debbie, and I'm already slammed with even more claims. So hit the follow button so I can tell you more about freelance claims adjusting, or better yet, just hit me with a pound in the comments if you think this is something that you can do too.